Friends, there is some good news. The Social Security Administration will be making a huge announcement soon on expanding monthly benefits. Monthly stimulus relief payments may begin to be sent out starting this month. Millions of Americans can also expect to see a boost increase to their monthly benefits in just a few weeks. My dear friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video, especially if you are a Social Security beneficiary. And to say thank you for watching every day, I'm giving away 4 $75 Walmart gift cards every week. Please enter the giveaways by clicking and liking several of my videos, then commenting below the keyword of each video that you watch. Friends, the more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways. And please stay tuned because in a video later today, I will be announcing a winner. I have a special note for Tracy Oliver. To claim your gift card, please comment below your email address so that it can be sent to you. Thank you.
During the last year and a half, what's happened? Gas prices have skyrocketed, food prices have skyrocketed, rent's up. All these things caused by the Democrats. So clearly they don't care about seniors in Florida. Now the latest bill is going to cut Medicare. And these Democrats say, oh, they would never do that. Let me just read you a quote by Joe Biden. When I argued that we should freeze federal spending, I meant Social Security as well. I meant Medicare and Medicaid. I meant veterans benefits. I meant every single solitary thing in the government. This is Joe Biden. This is what they're doing. I mean, they're actually doing what he said they would do. They're actually cutting $280 billion out of the Medicare budget and not putting it back in to try to make it more solvent. So what we've got to do is we've got to figure out why the Democrats are doing this. I've asked for the Aging Committee, which I'm a member, hold a hearing. Why do the Democrats have this war on seniors in Florida? Why do they not care about gas prices, food prices? This new bill, the burden on every pay scale is going up. The tax burden is going up. I mean, this doesn't make any sense, and it's hurting seniors all across.
Next month, the Social Security Administration will make a major announcement. The cost of living adjustment for 2023. COLA is an annual bump in benefits designed to help Social Security keep up with inflation. You do not need to do anything to receive this boost, and all beneficiaries are eligible for it. Next year's COLA is especially important because it will likely be record-breaking. Seniors could receive hundreds of dollars per month in 2023, but there is a catch. The annual COLA generally mirrors the changes in inflation over the year. When inflation is increasing at a normal rate, the COLA generally falls at around 1 to 3% per year. But when inflation has been surging, the adjustment will be higher. This year, for example, seniors received a whopping 5.9% increase. But after a year of record-breaking inflation, the COLA in 2023 will likely be significantly higher. We will not know the official number until sometime in October, when the Social Security Administration makes its announcement. However, advocacy group, the Senior Citizens League, estimates that it could land around 9.6%, which will be the highest COLA since 1981. So even if inflation slows between now and October, researchers predict that next year's COLA will still fall around 9.3%. But if inflation soars, it could potentially reach a massive 10.1%. While next year's COLA can go a long way towards helping seniors afford everyday necessities, it still may not be enough. Millions of older adults rely on Social Security just to make ends meet. In fact, nearly 1/4 of U.S. workers expect their benefits to be their primary source of income in retirement. However, even with yearly COLAs, benefits do not go as far as they used to. In fact, Social Security has lost around 40% of its buying power since 2000 as a result of soaring inflation. And this is according to the Senior Citizens League. This year alone, benefits have struggled to keep up with inflation despite a 5.9% COLA. The actual inflation rate hovered at around 8.5% over the past 12 months. So if you are relying on Social Security to pay the bills, even a higher than average COLA may not be adequate. So friends, what are your thoughts on this? Please let me know what you think COLA should be for next year. Friends, the key word for this video is Pluto. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Pluto, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And friends, please make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Rick Delaney, a chairman for the Senior Citizens League, has sent a letter to Congress proposing a one-time $1,400 Social Security stimulus payment just for seniors. Rick Delaney argued these types of stimulus checks could offset higher taxes, which are caused by a Social Security cost of living increase. Delaney wrote in an official statement, "We believe that a special stimulus for Social Security recipients could help defray the higher costs that some would face if next year's cost of living adjustment bumps them into a higher tax bracket, causing higher tax rates on their income and surcharges to their Medicare Part B premiums." A new coalition, the Equity and Aging Collaborative, is planning to use a new index to influence policies that affect older adults, such as a property tax relief and expanded eligibility for programs that assist with medical expenses. The Elder Index is a measure of the cost of living for older adults nationally and for every state and county in the United States. The Elder Index uses various public databases to calculate the cost of healthcare, housing, food, transportation, and miscellaneous expenses for seniors. It represents a bare-bones budget, adjusted for whether older adults live alone or as part of a couple, and whether they rent or own homes with or without a mortgage. Results from the analysis are eye-opening. In 2022, the index shows that more than 2 million older couples had incomes that made them economically insecure, and those estimates were before inflation had soared to more than 9% during the crisis. Well, my amazing and beautiful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this evening. Thank you so very, very much for joining me here every single day. And I truly appreciate all of you for watching my videos daily. Remember, dear friends, I'll be announcing a winner in a video later today. So please listen for the keywords and do stay tuned for that video.